welcome to a new video. I'm Pink with the Unicorns Dancing on Rainbows? That's who I am, yeah, okay. Anyway, so today I'm gonna be making cloud slime with It's Panda!
Hello.
Okay, so the ingredients here you're gonna need to make your own cloud slime is
You need some glue.
Yeah. Preferably the school glue, but it doesn't really matter. You're gonna need some instant snow. Not the fake snow, but just instant snow like this.
The one that expands in water.
Yeah.
So first you're gonna
And you're gonna need borax solution, which is just one
teaspoon, 1 tablespoon in 1.5 cups of water.
Yeah. Okay. So the first thing you're gonna do is pour
in about
doesn't really matter.
Pour in about 2 ounces of glue. So we're just gonna put a tiny bit of glue.
Yeah, because the snow.
Itty much. Okay.
Because the snow is gonna make it
thick.
The snow is gonna make it thick.
Remember, okay, now we're gonna add our borax. And we're gonna remember to overactivate this slime.
Because the snow makes it super duper stretchy, so you need to make sure that your slime
is
actually
rubbery.
So
a lot. So right now we have some, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe we should, if we color this, then it will look easier. So we're gonna get some color.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add some color so you can see it better, and then we're gonna mix it up, and it's gonna be really like rubbery.
Because we want
We
want it to be very rubbery, or else the snow will just completely dissolve in it.
So we're gonna mix this up. It's really rubbery and bad. So I'll show you the texture after we mix this. Okay guys, so we've been mixing it for a while. So after you cannot mix it with a stick anymore, or whatever you're using, you should start kneading it. But when you knead it, make sure it does not stretch. If it does this, then it's not good. So we're gonna add some more borax.
No, there's a lot in the bowl already.
Okay, then we're not going to add more borax.
We're just gonna dip it. Yeah.
So you want to get it into consistency until it starts ripping when you play with it.
It rips really bad. Because if it rips, then that means it's rubbery.
So we're just going to keep kneading this for like 10 seconds, I guess. If this is boring you, then skip 10 seconds. Okay. So mine is about ready. Yours? Worry about that later. Okay.
Now it's very bad. Okay, so now you're gonna make your instant snow, and we've already made it, but you just
need quite a big container.
So you kind of just put a little bit of this in, about like 2 ounces or something.
Let's make some more.
And then
first, we'll just put. So it comes with a scooper. So we'll just put a tiny bit. And then we just pour it in here like so.
There's a powder in there.
If you can tell. And then we're going to get some water.
Okay. Okay, I've returned with... This is not clear glue, by the way, it's water.
So
we're just going to drizzle it in.
When we do this, it's going to start expanding. So I don't know.
It expanded a lot. Start mixing it, and the trick to making the snow is that it needs to be fluffy but not slushy, like not too watery, but fluffy.
Yep. Make sure it's a fluffy consistency that you can have fun playing with. Maybe you knead it for 10 seconds, make it like nice. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so we're gonna start making our slime.
So you just need to keep on dipping it in.
This might take a while. Take some more. This might take a while, but all we need to do is start dipping this in the snow and mixing it in like so. So you just keep on mixing and mixing. So if it starts getting sticky, if if it gets sticky, so then you're gonna add more borax and make it hard. So this is when you know that it's cloud slime. It needs to be. This isn't the sample we made before. It needs to look like this, so that it needs to fall apart like that. When it needs to drizzle like this,
Like in the intro.
and it feels really soft and nice. It's not sticky. It's stretchy.
Extra points if it's clicky.
Sort of. Okay, so be right back when
We
we're
finish
done
making.
mixing this in.
Now we've basically finished dipping our slime in.
This process did not take very long. It only took 1 to 2 minutes. So this slime, it's really pretty blue color, and it does exactly what we need it to. It's really soft and stretchy. It drizzles fine, so that's really good. So yay. So thanks for watching this video.
And you can click the thumbs up button if you want to. You don't have to, but if
Like and subscribe,
yeah, basically that's what
and thanks for watching.
yeah. And hopefully you can make your own.
Hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, then we might make a part 2.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Bye.